Yeah. Yeah. You sound like a drunk. You sound like one of those angry homeless people that wants drugs. Exactly.
Sorry, I fucking didn't realize.
And see, the Barenz 4th one's my cat. That's how I get my voice into the audio or into the recording for now. For anyone wondering, that's how I get my voice into the recording with the Barenz 4th account. Yeah. Because that's Mauritanious. Oh, oh.
Got Natalie Mary in here. Got no, and got Sam.
I sent you something.
You be popped by his feelings so rough. Oh,
On ESO, and I should turn that on. I don't think they can hear. I don't think they'll be able to hear the echo in ESO's game chat.
Fuck you, nigga.
Oh, again? We're playing that again? We're playing that again on the same fucking game that we recorded last time. We're just playing it over and over. Fuck you, fool!
Fly ball down the right side.
Oh, I got a missed call from the United States. Damn. I guess the government's not gonna be needing me.
Single guy hack. Never cook or order takeout after.
You can play Risk. What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is this?
My inner dialogue at work. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck you. What the fuck up? What the fuck? Am I here? Fuck me. Fuck that.
I got up a little early, so I took the liberty of milking your cow for you. Yeah, it took a little while to get her warm. She sure is a stubborn one.
Oh, yeah, it moves. Hey, here's something that might be inaccurate to you. Come on.
Guess how much we got this nectar bed bundle for? Okay, this bundle includes all.
Ew, what the fuck is that?
This is my husband. He's gonna show you his Benjamin. You better be nice.
Hey guys, this is my Benjamin.
I think it's funny that what in the fuck am I watching? Me after stepping on the beach? The fuck?
I just opened up the app. And this is the first one. I would rather shit. Well,
responsible for multiple
shit in my hand than clap.
is finally in
What?
custody.
Disney
Shit in my
Plus?
hand and club.
That led them to a deserted motel outside Bryan, where they caught the man in the act of subduing 36-year-old Kelsey Keogh. The man, whose name is being withheld, claimed he and Kelsey were participating in a pre-response and that he had no connection to the murders that...
Yeah, I heard that one.
Hey, we're in a game. We're in a game, team. Yeah, hop on the game now. That's Connie, by the way. I'm in the East Village.
In the West, so. Thank you very much.
Oh, okay, well, congrats.
What's going
I
on?
am by myself. Well, who you playing as?
Cleveland.
Cleveland. Wait, is that you? Wait, that's Sunny. Wait, is that Sunny? Wait, that's Sunny. So I actually escaped in the last game that we were playing. That was actually the one that we recorded.
Yes.
Bro, what the fuck? That was not. That's fucking cheating.
We were going to LS, but I didn't realize I uninstalled it.
Yo, fucking. Mother has just closed the line on my ass. What
Yeah, he thinks he's in the wrestling ring.
the fuck? No, that was fucking cheating. That motherfucker was cheating, obviously.
Yeah, I know. He's always been cheating.
You got Sonny hogging up the fucking.
Open doors
Green.
with this.
Exactly, it's a fucking box full of fucking chicken.
I can use that.
I was trying to not say that, but I didn't have nothing else to say about it.
Well, I think,
Move it, bitch! Move it, bitch! Wait, hold on. Well, I'm not standing around. That. At least I got a lockpick, so. It's coming. What the fuck? It's going in my direction. Nah, we're good, we're good, we're good. It's all good in the hood. You have to go through the barricade.
bro, I mean, not
He has to go through the barricade.
Come
He has to go through the barricade. He has to go through the barricade.
They work on those doors.
Watch that shit, cause you can't get through there. Get the door open! Get the door open! Ah. Oh, shit!
Stay hidden. Stay hidden.
Oh, that's nice. I'm all out of fucking goddamn stamina. Pussy. You bitch. I can't fucking sprint. I'm all out of fucking. I'm gonna catch the fat ass. I can't sprint. Oh, I got nowhere to go. Dude, let's go. Next time I'm not on faster though. I promise you you'll survive. He's like, it's not that much of a terrifying situation. I'll just take a walk.
This little calf.
Fucking dumbass, bro. Every dumb white bitch always fucking dies in a horror game or a movie. It's like, bro, like, use your brain, dumb bitch. I understand you're a fucking redhead dumbass, but you gotta learn how to fucking run faster. And like, come on. The situation is very fucking serious, and you're just walking around like you're outside on a fucking trail on a nature walk. Like, get the fuck moving. It's not that they're not gonna skin your fucking flesh and eat you, because they're a bunch of fucking cannibals. They are too. Like in the movies, they cook their victims. And she's just like, oh, it's okay. I'll be a pot pie, I guess. I'll be part of a pot roast. It'll be all right.
I think I can make it.
Why won't you leave me alone?
These motherfuckers need to be on a treadmill before they come here.
Bro, why was it? Bro, who forgot to close fucking or forgot to fucking close the goddamn.
He's got over his chainsaw.
Yo, honest dumbass, I forgot to close the fucking door.
Yeah, he's about to die.
This dude, yeah, this dude's dumbass as fuck.
Wait, they didn't see him. He got real lucky. You gotta unlock that shit.
Okay.
And he has only one lockpick, which is I usually get myself in that situation too, though, where I got a health bottle and just one lockpick.
This is where you
I don't think we're gonna be recording Outlast tonight.
Yeah.
If you ever get yourself in a retarded situation like this, don't act like these fuck dumbasses, because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. Motherfuckers running out of stamina real quick. Like it's like what you don't have adrenaline at all. Like, where's your adrenaline? Your adrenaline will fucking like take over all that fucking nonsense, all that stamina nonsense.
You say one of something really.
Your adrenaline will be pumped in this situation. You will run out of breath after Time to move.
Yeah, he was fucked. Feel like, why the fuck
Good,
you?
good.
And he's got a, alcohol. He doesn't fucking use.
He's at the last minute where
You just don't have to. What the hell is that?
that's the fucker that killed me.
This
13.
blade cuts good.
Oh no, it was hit something.
Oh, the other one?
We can. Or you want to hop on ESL? You want to record my Wood Harbor Quest Part 2? Huh?
More rats than any ESL.
Actually, you know what? Let's do a couple more of these, and then we do some ESL, because I want to get out of Cold Harbor at some point.
Yeah, it's actually. No, actually, I did Leatherface. I got killed by Leatherface.
Yeah, you got clothesline like he was your wrestling opponent.
I think Michael Myers might win that.
Well, we're gonna be playing Halloween or whatever morning biz. My Outlast Trials is ready, but we're not gonna have to do no trials. Just do an introduction. I need a hero!
This dude just got like hit a car and then
Mutilated?
no, this biker was watching this car get hit and then the car just fucking fled.
Hey, call the police and tell them there's been a hit and run.
Hey, what you doing, man? Nothing? Come on, bro. No, you see this? Yes, bro.
Ontario police now saying an employee who worked inside that warehouse is now under arrest.
That fire literally lit up the night sky as flames tore.
Well, I just think it's on too.
Well, you said it before with the fact that it's walking to the guy that's injured on the field. It's like garbage. Bro! Is it L? Is it L? Oh, this is first. I can't wait for L to come out, bro. I want to be trying that.
What? What? What's it called?
I want to see some.
It's getting L. I can't wait for it to come out.
Now, I'm the researcher.
There you go.
Coming in today to answer messages.
Oh, here's this again. Alright, I'll go like this again.
What's this? Hood Paradox. Oh yeah, you sent me this one too, Tim.
I'm a receptionist at a doctor's office. Coming in today?
He's done this before. The girl's running out of breath just by talking, just by typing. She's running out of breath just by typing. That's crazy. That's the most workout she ever gotten in her fat 14 years old. I went up to 40. 40? What is she, like 41? She's probably in her 40s.
Yeah.
Thanks for messages.
The fuck am I looking at?
My mom's doing, Frosty.
She was checking if my snow was packed tight enough.
Got lovely bouquet and problem 1983 child.
I'm sorry, I saw the me and Tucker, but you and me?
Oh, okay.
How you guys want to work?
Anybody tell you look like Beyonce?
Every day?
No mother do not like no big fat ass dog.
Living around set.
No mother do not like no big fat ass dog. No big fat ass. No mother do not
What the
like
kid
no
will be
big
like?
fat ass
You
dog.
guys take your brothers and ass.
What's your biggest turn off?
Play this game 10 minutes a day. Well, not sure. But British people will be like, you've barely touched your brothers and ass.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's say, yo, this one person we're waiting for is taking for ever.
Tell their fucking fat ass to ready up.
For real, for real. Don't pull me, I'll come. Okay. Here's Halloween. This comes out when? September?
September 8th. You know, I remember the days because Massacre had it.
The man believed to be
Nice.
responsible for multiple stranglings in East Texas is finally in custody tonight. Authorities followed a tip that led them to a deserted hotel outside Bryan, where they caught the man in the act of killing 36-year-old Kelsey Keogh. The man, whose name is being withheld, claimed
Here you go, Tim. This is our ring. You're gonna play Call of
and that
Duty.
he had no connections to the murder.
We're gonna take you to play Call of Duty, Tim.
Yeah, I'm on it, by the way. I'm the West Hill.
I'm in the tool storage. Tool storage.
So why am I the fucking always one in the West Storage?
Because
The
it
West
depends, I guess it depends on the character that you're playing on.
Are you fucking fat ass?
That was me, fat ass. Don't worry. That was my chicken strip.
You like don't like the fucker for
That was my
last
chicken
night.
strip. Leave your hands off my chicken strip, you bitch.
Yeah, you're like a fat ass that wants the last donut.
Well, obviously, because I'm not gonna let no one else take my last dinner when I'm fucking hungry. Now I'm going through the mini fridge.
Bro, like there ain't no fucking donuts in the fucking toolbox, okay?
Well, you don't know until you look.
Something useful.
Alright, it's all yours. I'm looking out for Letterface. Oh wait, there ain't no Letterface.
Got the cook, got no, you got Johnny, the cook,
They're all.
and
So that means
Nancy.
it'll be easy for us to get the fuck out of here then, or at least out of underneath here. But the real problem will be up top, trying to escape up top. I kind of like this recording stuff I got because it's still MJPEG, but it's like I got it set up as full. I got the I think it's the color range or something.
Yeah, if you need
It makes the MJPEG a little more brighter than limited. Limited it makes it darker. Unlock that door. I only got one lockpick, so I don't want to use up the last one. But you got two.
Well, I have my health bottle too.
So now you're starting to grab a health bottle. I didn't know you grabbed a health bottle. Fuck. Well, you might want to go back and grab a lockpick then once you're done with it.
Right, don't move.
Yeah, good thing. Actually, no, this is not MJPEG. I think this is it must be NV12 with limited. I'll check real quick. No, this is MJPEG.
Yeah, the door's unlocked.
I know. I'm gonna wait till you get back. I'm not gonna open the door because if I do that, it's gonna reveal my position, and then it'll probably send one of the people down here, or at least to the door.
And quietly open the door then.
All right, I will. All right, I just did.
Yeah, I said quietly, not fucking loudly, you fucking bitch.
Well, you know, it's not a library, so I don't think it really matters. All right, one more time.
How do I get out of here? Think.
I should have just looked before I came out here, because last time I fucking went into a trap.
Well, don't run.
Johnny's over there.
How it feels.
I need to stay strong.
Yeah, I need to stay strong.
We should probably make a cross where that whale is. Let's go.
Give it a shot.
Hey, yes. Leland, I can use that. Right here.
Yeah, we see you. And we can hear you. Fucking loud ass bitch. There's a gate right there, but I don't want to like risk it. Oh, right there's I think that was Johnny running back there.
That's our only way in. Or out, I mean.
Open. Alright.
Open.
I don't want to rush out there, then someone's gonna see us. Right, hold on. Move out there, come on. Dude, there's like everyone's over here. Everybody's actually in this spot.
Hey, everyone's in that spot. Where are you?
Over here, too. Everyone's over here. Alright. Then go for the gate. If someone comes, I'll stun them. I'll knock him down. Wait.
This is hilarious how fucking all...
Everyone's here. Everybody's like literally here.
Oh, one.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of us here. Yeah, everyone's here. All 4 of us. The whole fucking victims, every single victim in his match right now is right here. In one spot. This is like a goose chase.
Yo, is it me or...
Dude, they're not gonna find anybody. Alright, Tim, go for the gate. I got you covered. Wait, don't go yet,
Sure.
don't go yet, don't go yet, don't go yet, don't go yet, don't go yet. Hold on. I see whatever his name is, Josh and Jones, and Joy, whatever the fuck his name is. Alright, go.
Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny. I know it started with a J. Oh. You're good now.
Or who the fuck is that the cook or is that Sonny, like, pointing out shit?
Hey, there's a fucking gate right here, Tim. Where are you going? I told you to unlock this, now I gotta do it because no one's fucking doing it. And I can't knock down Johnny because I'm doing this. So if Johnny comes, we're both fucked because now I gotta do this.
You can press cancel when I'm trying to stop him.
No, because I'm always done already.
Hell yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Got it.
Close the gate, close the gate, close the gate.
Oh. Fucking bitch.
Just knocked her fat ass down. I knocked her fat ass down. Stay down, Tim. Stay down.
Shit. Yeah, she's gonna be there forever.
Is she?
No fuck, she's walking this way.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
They'll be loving me soon enough.
Just have you shut your fucking ass off.
Yeah, for reals.
Put her fucking fart.
They escaped
fucking
already?
Stink. No one escaped.
Yes, they did. They escaped. I said they escaped through the gas station.
Oh fuck, Johnny found my footprints.
Move.
Motherfucker.
Wait, don't move. Wait.
You fucking bitch.
They found both of us. Oh, I'm going down this bitch.
I can't even fucking find a goddamn motherfucking well.
Went down the well. It was right by us.
I think.
Oh, there you are. What the fuck? We both fell in at the same time, okay.
Fucker, man.
It's getting worse.
We got a lockbox over here. Or a toolbox.
I'm fucking dead.
You're dead already?
You motherfucker, man. Bro, they can. You gotta tell me call in the airstrike.
Call in an airstrike, call in an AC-130 gunship. Wow! I think someone did call it an airstrike. I hear about machine guns. I hear guns.
Please.
The fuck is it? What was it, a task force? The task force is out there shooting them up?
Just breathe. Breathe.
Of course, they had a health bottle that I didn't use. It's nice. It's wonderful.
They're making a lot of noises.
Because they can't keep quiet.
Yeah, I'm gonna get away from them. There's a door over here.
Yeah, because there's a door right there.
Alright, thank you. I didn't see it. Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta go to the left, not the right.
Alright, thank you. I didn't know.
Now I go to the right, and I gotta go to the
Alright,
middle.
thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm so glad you're here right now. I would be lost. I would definitely be lost right now. You're right here.
Okay, you're unlocking the door right now.
Am I really?
You gotta open the door now. You gotta open the door.
Open and go around that without another pick lock. Yeah, that's smart. That's why you're still dead. I'm just kidding.
No, some voodoo.
Where the fuck is the... There it is.
Right. These fucking dumbasses don't know how to fucking keep quiet.
Why?
Yeah, Connie just moved, so she might be fucked.
Yeah. I'm
What's
good.
this?
If I find like another health bot, I'll just use this one. Oh, there's a health
Well,
bot
next
right
time.
there.
I'm up next on the sound. Let me open the door, please. Thank you.
Well, I tried to. Thank you so much for telling me.
Hey, there's a ladder right there. You can go up.
Oh, I didn't see it. Thank you so much. I'm so glad.
Yeah, there's a
I'm
bush.
so glad you're such a big help right now.
Hey, there's bushes you can hide. In case you didn't know.
Ain't no way it's this clear.
Oh.
I
Oh,
guess I
it's
got an
like
opportunity, huh?
Sissy and John. Oh, fuck.
Sissy's in that house.
Whatever you do, don't move.
Alright, thank you so much.
In case you didn't see it.
See what?
In case you didn't see, Grandpa's level 2, don't move.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Thank you. Let's just run through that bitch. Alright, there's no
Oh, that
opportunity.
was...
It's open. It's open.
Nice.
Fucking chicken.
Dead.
Oh no 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 no! Please tell me you didn't see me. Please tell me she did not see me.
Fear, but we'll be on the run.
See me. You didn't see me. That's why I closed the fucking gate.
She didn't... Dumbass didn't even realize that it was fucking unlocked.
Well, it was already unlocked when I went through. So. Can't fucking move. I went through that way. I would have known that, there you go, come on. Oh. So far, no one knows that I'm over here.
Guy likes to take it like he's fucking banging someone. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's a fucking well right there.
Sissy fucking missed that. She missed the opportunity to get my ass. I hear an electric fence. Right, there's the exit, right? So that means the generator got to be right. Reduce the fucking wires for the generator.
Damn it! Not you too! Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
Don't fight it. Just give in, sweetie.
I see her. I don't want to move. If I can't see her, that doesn't mean she's not in there. She is.
She's right there, just so you know.
Oh yeah, yeah, thank you. I'll wait till she goes out. I'll wait till she gets further out.
No, she's coming back.
Is she?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know what her dumbass is doing. Hey, whatever you do, don't move. Don't
Okay,
move.
thank you. Generator's like all over the fuck back there.
Where is everybody? Oh, this is awful.
I
Yeah,
don't
we
want to
can
sit
call
here for
it.
too long because I'm gonna fucking get kicked from being idled.
I wonder if they can make shoes that are like that don't leave footprints.
I thought that was
That's
the generator
possible.
for this.
And
Oh no,
right
it's
there.
not a generator. It's a fucking battery. It's hooked up. Someone turn the fucking
Okay.
generator off. Get him out! And they're all over there. I'm gonna still try. Jeez. This is the fucking thing. There it is.
Right there, in case you know you're unlocking
No,
doors.
I don't mean that. I was
Please.
talking about the fucking green thing. You like unlocked it?
You know, now they escaped.
I see that.
You only killed one person.
There we go.
There we go.
Gotta keep going.
They probably think they're still on the ground.
I think did it.
More than the ESO.
Alright, I'm gonna. Oh no, I'm gonna have to move my car around. So we're gonna. Well, I'm gonna actually quit out of here because I don't want the match to start. But you know what? I think it'll be alright. Let me text Lisa. See if she's ready to move cars around.
It should press quit next match.
First next match, I'll just have to like not die. I'm not doing it yet. I gotta see if she's ready.
This week.
How the fuck people get
Tonight is
7?
payday.
I was. How the fuck people get 7?
Ain't no
I was
bleed.
7. I
Number
was
one
trying.
NLP tug of war champion. What is my grandma wearing?
How the fuck people get 7? When I was 7, I was trying to catch my fart and smell it. What's wrong? Hey, here's something.
Okay, well, here's one for you then. If you're sending me something,
Why does this chef look so similar?
Oh, fuck, I text the wrong person.
Who said that? Who text? Daddy.
Text my girlfriend. I just think if she wanted me to close around. Oh, I asked my mom if she wanted me to close around last week. I'll delete that message before she sees me. Alright, I'll be right back. She's ready, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Damn, the game didn't start up yet?
Nope.
Okay.
I looked at this. I don't know if you saw it. Brought your phone.
Well, I didn't bring a phone with me. There's no reason to bring it. That's
What
cool.
if you need what if you need to make an important phone call?
I'm not far from the house. I wasn't gonna take long either. I mean, obviously the game didn't start yet. What if you had to make an important fart call?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, someone just quit just because the game didn't load in. What the fuck was that?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh well. Fuck 'em. That's
Got
what I say.
hands. Got Daniel Jackson.
Do they think they're gonna find a fucking session a lot faster just by leaving? Because that means they gotta sit there and wait again.
You got something now. You
You
got
know,
some
if I find a new
Russian.
session, it'll probably be a lot quicker than this one.
I can't even read that because it's written in Russian.
Oh well, okay. That probably that's the reason why you can't read it.
No, I fucking see it. Thank you. I didn't know.
There you fucking asshole. You're welcome.
Murder 804 man.
Oh
Got onion
wow.
bash. What the fuck is an onion bash? What the fuck is
Someone
that?
that takes an onion and bashes your asshole with it.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Wait, you got press ready. So, you know.
Doing stuff real quick. Alright, I'm ready.
I want to know what stuff you're doing right now.
Well, if you didn't notice, I'm level 10 now with the Leland, so I was just upgrading my character.
Nice.
6 reported cases of suspected food poisoning have led authorities to recall all meat sold through the Delverson meatpacking facility outside Coleman, which in turn led to the arrest of plant supervisor.
Hey, don't be like your ass looking asshole, dude.
40-year-old
I'll try not to. Thanks so much for telling me.
produced by the facility had become tainted when several rats were discovered to have fallen into the process. And Mr. Austin did not halt production.
You like... I'm a Wyatt, by the way.
I'm Cody, by the way. Hey, Wyatt, nice to meet you.
East cell, I'm the east cell. I repeat, the east cell. I'm in the east cell. I
You're in
repeat.
the east
Oh, what
cell.
the fuck?
What the hell happened?
I got a health bottle. Got me a health bottle. Got me a health bottle. I'm gonna go towards the chainsaw. You know, I'm smart.
Are you fucking bitch?
You fucking hungry bitch. Let's see if I find a lord pie. Alright, cool box. Yeah, I'm gonna just run with this. I'm just gonna run this way. Fuck that.
No way.
Keep
I
still
found a
down.
lockpick. Alright, so the Russian girl just got the Russian just
The
got.
Russian person died. Well, actually, Russia never experienced anything like this. That's Chinese. Inside the head.
Gonna do this!
I only grabbed one. Other faces coming towards me.
Bro, move out the fucking way, you big fat fuck. Stop blocking me. Take fuck.
I don't see him.
That's smart.
A smart fart.
Yeah, I fucking moved. Dumbass was yelling.
Go. Yeah, bitch. Fuck you, bitch.
I'm still down here. I got no lockpick. I haven't found no lockbox yet, or a
Yo, I just
They're all over.
set the door on Leatherface.
Bro, I don't. You know, toolbox.
Seems safe.
There's no toolbox down here. There's one right here.
Oh fuck.
Toolbox.
How many are there?
Bro, how did they not fucking see Tony?
I got the lockpick. I got the lockpick. Give up this here.
How well are you gonna do, breast?
Really well.
Okay. Finally. They're gone.
You're not like yelling. Real fucking live. Go different. Not see you in a leather fucking brown jacket.
What are you talking about?
Oh, I decided to pick a brown leather jacket.
Who did?
Why? Where is it? Yo, why is something you decide to follow me? What the fuck is? Are you fucking gay or something? Like, do you like fucking? The fuck?
He wants to jerk. Okay. He wants to jerk you from behind.
Where's this go?
Bro, I don't know who the hell is waiting over there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the.
Quite interesting.
It's too quiet.
On.
You're mine. You're mine. You're mine. Right.
Yes, now you go ahead. You use your senses. You know, because
I'm gonna use the
fucking
force
here
to
from
open
a
this
mile
fucking
away.
door. I just used
Yeah,
the
I'm about
force to
Sony, by
open
the
the
way,
door.
in case you didn't know.
Alright, I'm Midland. By the way, just in case you didn't know.
I'm over here. I see you.
We can make
Well, don't move. I hear Lopez.
Got you too? Do you know where we are? We have to get
Yeah,
out.
but Sonny, how about you shut the fuck
kept
up?
moving. Ooh, watch out for the chicken there. Shit, Leatherface is right there. What the fuck? Dumbass, how the fuck you didn't see me?
Gotta keep
Good
my
luck,
eyes
Tim, he's
peeled.
out there. He's through with you now. Andrew's down here. Someone's down here.
No, he's up. No, he's over here where I'm at.
No, hands. I heard hands? I heard him.
Safe now.
He went.
Find a way
You hear him? He's supposed to be like. He went.
Are you sitting in the same spot? There you are.
Yeah, we're here. Yeah, I'm white, just so you know.
You're white. I thought you were sunny.
No, I'm fucking white, you fucking that bitch.
That's smooth.
Yeah, it's not the same thing.
He's a player.
Oh, fuck.
Somewhere. Just go away.
Yes, yes. Take the bait. Take the bait. Right there. See him.
You
Good
can't
job, he's
hide
just
from me,
there.
sugar. You left a trail. Look at all of this.
Out of the fucking wall there. Like the game, huh? Oh, there.
Oh,
heard you.
Yeah, I had sissy at the
Can I use this?
Move it, you dumbass! Why are you speaking retarded? Ah, yes sir. Well deserved. That is well deserved. If you all be fucking stupid, might as well just fucking die.
Oh, hit your stun already?
That character's retarded. Maybe I'm just down running into walls and shit.
How did we end up
fuck.
here? These freaks.
The fuck? Shit. Fuck. Shit, bitch. Bro.
How does that feel?
Yeah. My girlfriend just texted me that. She said, what you mean? Like, LOL. Yeah,
He's like,
I don't have my car right now. I was like, yeah, I know. What do you mean I don't have my car right now?
what the fuck is Tony doing, bro? What I did was trying to
Tell me all every person to have a job and like, that's cool. This motherfucker must have spent on. He must spend his time on the game like 24/7 or something.
yeah.
I think his wrestling like ass.
Being so sister.
His fucking wrestling like ass. So I got tears and I got torn up little pieces on his chair. He got like shit stains, piss stains, and gum stains all over his fucking shit. Fucking boogers flinged everywhere. Fucking got pissed fucking next to him, a little fucking shit bucket like underneath him. Probably got a little fucking hole. Probably got a little hole in the fucking floor so his fucking family can lower up a fucking bucket full of food. Fucking fat ass.
Next match, or you wanna do it? Yeah, so.
One more match. Let's do one more match. So you know what? Let's not do one left. Let's fucking do it.
Sure. Yeah, sure.